are here convening at Zain area with the collaborators that are supporting the project. In the house we have ICRISAT, who is our seed partner. We have Tegemeo Cereals, we have USOMI, we have Jufra, we have Egerton Seed Unit, and other collaborators that are supporting the project.
So the purpose really is to sit back, listen to each other, see where challenges are, where are the pain points, how can we enhance the program, and enhancing it in terms of deepening the experiences that the youth will get out of it. It's now been 2 years, we are going into 3 years, looking at the numbers as well. How do we bring more youth without forgetting the ones who are already on board?
I have interacted with those three structures. The youth fund, because every county has a youth fund office, every county has a youth department,
youth fund,
and every county has that structure he's talking about, the youth network. And because we are having things that are deliverable.
Yeah.
And we also we are also able to showcase where they can make money and how they can make money, and the strategies are explicit. I think we have a way of getting them on board.
We are pleased to be ushering in a new year. We have been on the ground for 2 years and we have seen great achievements. We have overall been able to integrate at least 70% or 60% young women in the project to ensure participation, ensure that women are receiving benefits including seed and training, and they are also engaged in other activities within the project.
From year 2, we've realized that this project is not really linear. We thought the young farmers would go into production and market their produce, but you find that the project is no longer linear. It is taking shape in different directions, such that the young farmers can be able to engage in different levels of activities to make money. So in pre-production, production, and you find them engaging in mechanization and other activities such as pottery to ensure that they make a living out of the project.
The youth have embraced the project and they are going into things that we had not thought about. For example, we provided shellers for the DTCs, or the drought-tolerant crops varieties, for example, sorghum. But the youth have become very innovative, using those shellers to go and provide shelling services for people who are growing maize. Okay, so that indeed tells us that the youth are looking for multiple opportunities for earning, which in the end analysis enhances their incomes.
Women are becoming more bold. That's one thing. We see that when a woman has money in her pocket, she is a bit bolder, she can make decisions on her own, and she's able to even venture into areas where maybe traditionally women are not very much involved, including transportation, including aggregation in the agricultural value chains. And we are able to see that more women are even engaging in savings, and this is giving them a sense of financial independence and some sense of financial security when they come together as a community to even invest or save together. You can see there is that sense of belonging, and they are no longer afraid of walking this journey because now they are no longer walking alone. So our role as Africa Harvest is to just hold their hand, not necessarily do everything for them, but just to support them so that they can be able to move one stride at a time.
Agriculture can indeed provide opportunities for young people, but we need to be deliberate, particularly with regards to young women. This project is focusing more on 70% young women. So we need to be deliberate about bringing them on board so that we can create resilience and we can address the big problem of employment and incomes.